You know it's spring in Nanning when we got flowers on the mango trees, and all of these along both sides, these are all mango trees. Check this stuff out, guys. Nanning is called the Green City of China, and you can tell why. Everywhere you look, there's trees, there's flowers, they take pride in keeping it as green as they possibly can for a city of 7.5 million people. I love Nanning. Nanning is my home. And today I'm going to look for an A6400 camera with a 24-70 lens on it. Yes, Gweilo's thinking of upgrading his channel a tad. Don't want to fall down the stairs though. But you know, it's one of those things that every once in a while, and you know, I gotta thank the people that have been buying Gweilo a beer, because that little pot on PayPal and buy me a coffee has actually grown to the point where it actually will pay for the camera. So thank you very much. And I also have to thank the people that are sending in WeChat cash on my QR code, because that sucker is actually buying the lens for that camera. So we're going to get a little bit better stuff coming out of Gweilo here in the near future. So in Nanning, that Sony camera A6400 with a 24-70 lens would cost $10,850. But the problem is, here they can't change it into English, where in Shanghai it is less money and they can change it into English for an extra 500 RMB. So you know exactly what I'm going to do, is I'm going to order it through my buddy Alex Absolute's connection in Shanghai and have it delivered to my home. Yes, sirree. It's a bit less expensive, but it comes in English. And if it didn't come in English, I would be lost totally. So now we're off to grab the e-bike, and head to Landong area, because Weifang came home late the other night and it was cold outside, so she had to borrow some clothes from her friend, a girlfriend, I'm assuming. I hope anyway. And we're going to return that. A day in the life of Gweilo 60 in Weifang. You thought that we had this exciting life? Some days we're just out shopping, looking around, doing what we do, eh? Right?
Hey, don't mean the camera.
Tired. Oh, Weifang's in a grumpy mood today. And it's just came out of 2 raining days here where it sort of sucked. But now it's like we're overdressed. It's oh, I don't know, it's got to be like 22 degrees, 23 degrees today, and the sun's trying to come out. Humid, very humid. And as I walk around with the camera in my face, people look at me really strange. I'm used to it, it's no big deal. So as I was driving to Landong to give Hailin her clothes back, while Weifang was giving Hailin her clothes back, I had to stop here and let you listen to what I'm listening to. Because we all know that there's no birds in China, right? You've heard that from people that are not obviously telling you the truth, or have no idea. Maybe that's it. They just have no idea. One of the biggest problems is finding a place to park your e-bike. But you always find a place, and you park it in these spots, and it costs you 1 RMB. Doesn't matter how long you leave it there, but if you come back after dark, then it's 2 RMB. So during the day, 1 RMB. At night, 2 RMB. On holidays, 2 RMB. Yeah. And they watch your bike so nobody steals your batteries, nobody steals your bike, and it employs somebody. Cool. For an RMB here and an RMB there, it's the perfect scenario. As we drop off the clothes to Hailin, this is like a daycare for kids. Everybody knows in China, well, not everybody, but you know, Chinese kids go to school till noon, and then they get off till 3 o'clock. Instead of sending them home where the parents are working and, you know, home alone, they have these daycares, and they come here and they sleep in the afternoon. They've got all these little tables and chairs behind me, and they feed them a big lunch and whatever, so they're ready to go back to school at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So that's basically where we are right now. And obviously, one little boy didn't want to go to sleep, so he's sitting here doing what he's doing, and the rest are in the back snoozing. The man here is the one that spanks them when they're bad, right? You spank the kids when they're bad? Yeah? That's your job?
Of course.
So Yifang, what's the cost per child?
1000块，1000块就 OK 了。
1000 块. 1,000 RMB, so
Yeah.
$200 a month.
Yes, for the kid and they
Food and
don't include the food and sleeping or to, take care. He go to school.
so they pick them up to school, they bring them back to school, they feed them and they put them down for an hour.
Yeah, and then send them to the school also.
Well, that's cheap. Inexpensive, 2 guys.
And if you want to contact number is 13737072322 Chinese again 13737072322.
So basically this video is about our day here today. Now we're at Nanhu Lake because the trees are flowering and we thought we'd show you how beautiful it gets here. I'm gonna put a picture in the video. Weifeng took a picture from the other side of Nanhu Lake and it was so pretty that we decided to drive over here after we dropped off at Highlands Daycare and then went to McDonald's for coffee. Now we're over here and you'll notice I'm back into a t-shirt. Yesterday was cold. It was like 11 degrees or 12 degrees outside. Today is 22, 23 degrees. So another beautiful day in Nanning City. You gotta love this place. And you'll notice that it's really humid. You can see the air. Yeah, so let's go find these flowering trees. One of the things I really like about Nanning City is the parks. Everybody knows that. But in the spring and the end of February is basically spring here. As you can see, I'm in a t-shirt. The flowers are blooming. The trees are blooming. The birds are singing. It's just a really, really nice place to be. It's one of those things. It's between the cold of winter and between the heat of summer, because summertime in Nanning can get a little bit, let's call it a little bit close. You get 40 degrees and you get 100% humidity. Yes, sirree. Gotta love it though. It is what it is. Just to make Nanhu Lake just a little bit better, they put 3 islands in here, cost 3 million buckaroos, but it sure adds to it. You know, with the backdrop of the buildings in the background, you've got the islands, you've got the water, you've got just a nice, beautiful place. I'm loving it. They call this city the Green City for a reason, guys. It is freaking beautiful. It's all lollipops and rainbows everywhere. And flowers. And green. And where the hell is my beer? I'm getting thirsty. Gweilo's getting thirsty. It's like 3:30 in the afternoon. All I've drank was coffee today. My God, look how thirsty I am. My lips are sticking to my teeth. I love my life, guys. I really do. What's not to like? I live in summer all year round. Life is inexpensive. And I know this video sort of bounces around a little bit from this and that to, you know what I mean? But it is sort of like our daily life here in China. This is just one of the days. And actually we had fun today. We're out and about. It's good weather. It's not always exciting, guys. It's tough work finding beer on the streets of Nanning. So that's where we're going right now before we go anywhere else, is to go find an ice cold beer. And that's another video from Gweilo 60. A day in the life of Weifeng and Gweilo 60, running around Nanning City, the first day of March. Cool, eh? Anyway, that's another video from Gweilo 60. If you like this video, as always, like, comment, subscribe, push that share button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to resubscribe, hit the bell, hit the like button, and whatever you do, don't forget to put a couple bucks in the children's Patreon account. It's for a good cause. Thanks for watching. Bye now.
This
is the kids sleeping, so be quiet. Shh. Oh, gotta turn the light on. No, don't turn the light on. No.
Come on.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Everybody's sleeping. Sleep down. Now that's beyond cute, guys. Everybody's awake. They're not sleeping. They're just laying there. I bet you when they close the door, they're all playing games.